Welcome to Fishers of Men Outdoors. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Today we're fishing at Beaver Dam Creek, Pittman County, Tennessee. We're going to try to catch some red-eye and trout.
You got a little bitty in, don't you?
Yep.
That's a little bluegill. See the blue on him? Yeah.
Oh, bass. These trees are not very good. Larson has one, Dad. There's nothing here. Oh, there's some trout. Trout are giant. Dad, Larson has one.
He almost got the worm. There's some good eye. There's a good sized red eye and a smallmouth, I think, sitting right out there.
You want to use my top one?
All right.
Right here. I got it.
Here, really, man?
That's a bass. Dad, are you gonna record? That's a bass. Or no, that's a giant chub. I thought that was a bass. Daddy, you don't have to catch up.
I know, man.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Yep. Hey. Oh.
You still using green nightcrawler?
Yeah.
I am too, but they ain't wanting it right over here. Had a few bites, but that's it.
Right there. Look there.
Yeah, a little shiner.
Oh, that's a creek chub.
You gotta put him back.
I don't know. Oh, my keep him back. Oh, Daddy got one.
Nah,
Had
almost.
One. What was it, a bass?
You got another?
Larson got a red eye.
You got you another red eye?
Yep.
Yeah.
Is there a size limit?
Well, it's not big enough. We'll put him back. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Keeper.
Keep him.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Get on up the bank in case it flops off.
It's a bluegill, but it's keeper. Here. What do you
That's good eating right there. All right, I got a little chub. Say hello to the little fish. We got you another little bluegill. I keep getting worm stealers, little worm thieves over here. You gotta throw him back. You gotta throw him back.
Huh?
You gotta put him back.
Why?
Too small. Yeah, he is. Yes, sir. He's too small. Nice catch, Joe. Sweet. Get him back from the water. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, yeah.
He's a pretty good one. Pretty good size red eye.
Oh, yeah, that is. All right, can we keep him?
Yeah, we can keep at him.
Huh?
Yeah, we can keep at him. All right. So you got a pretty good red eye.
Dad done caught a keeper red eye.
Woo! Little booger got me though. Alright, little schmucky.
Huh?
I said, okay, little schmucky.
Oh, look at his tail. Something been eating at it. Don't you do it through the gill?
I'll go into the mouth and I guess I could.
Yeah, it's easier. See?
Yeah.
Put the and then put the spine.
Yeah, I think he went down to, oh, he got off. He got off. Oh, he got off again. That's a big one.
I'm gonna see if I can find him.
All right, got another. Got another red eye.
Is he a keeper?
Nah. We're gonna let you grow up some more. Too small.
Little bluegill.
Is it a bluegill or a sun perch?
Bluegill. Hooked him through the eye, I think. Yeah, snagged him.
Has he got bluegills? If he don't, he's a sun perch.
You'll have to look.
He don't look like a bluegill to me.
Huh?
He don't look like a little bluegill to me. Oh, yeah, not bad.
Keeper?
Marginal. It's right in that bubble.
Huh?
Right in that bubble of keeping. Let me take a look at him.
Yeah, he's a big one.
Pick him up, let me take a look at him.
He's about the same size as yours.
No, he's not about the same size as mine.
Yeah, he is.
Mine was a little bit meatier.
Let me show you. I'm gonna go look.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he's about the same size as yours.
But remember, about the same size, not the same thing, it's the same size. Get you another one?
Yeah.
Pretty good sized little perch.
Not bad. Not a keeper.
Little bitty perch.
He's not a keeper, but better than nothing, ain't he?
Yeah.
Better than nothing. that your first perch today?
No, I can't remember. I'm getting old. Can't remember stuff.
Nice bass. Oh, that's a big old sucker.
No, it's not a sucker. It's a smallmouth.
Oh, it's a smallmouth?
Yeah.
Bass?
Yep.
It's a bass?
Yep. See this big mouth? Not a sucker. Is it?
I don't think that's a bass.
Yeah, it's a bass. Oh, swallowed it a little bit.
Want me to bring you the stringer?
Yeah, I need to put it on. There's some more out there like him. He's pooching right there. Squeezing him a little bit. Get him by his mouth.
Don't get in the buddy.
Ain't that big though.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna throw him back in.
Are you? Alright. Okay. If you want to. It's your fish. How do they bite so hard and they're so small?
A little red eye. Yeah, it's too small.
They bite so hard when they're so small.
Yeah, I think I got a perch. A perchy perch. A little red eye. Too small. Ah, sorry, little buddy.
You know what I've started to do, Larson? I've started to show the small fish that I catch what they got out of it. Alright, buddy, I'm going to show you what you got out of it.
So we really hadn't moved all day. Still catching a mixture of red eye, perch, and bass.
Well, no, small.
Little red eye,
Yeah,
little small.
small. Too small. Is it too small, you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Got you another one?
Yep. Float fish.
Is it a red eye?
It's a stripe.
Stripe? Nice. Yeah, it's way too small. Another little one?
Small bluegill. Yeah. Sorry, I thought you said red eye.
Yeah. So there's a school of fish right out in there. Either red eye or perch. I'm throwing out there and they're just popping it and pulling it. Ain't got much bait on there, but there's some and they still hitting it, so I'll keep throwing it. Hoping Mama Red Eye or Daddy Red Eye will pull up from under that log. Is that my truck? That's a Chevy. You never know nowadays. Somebody steal your truck. I caught a stick. Biggest catch I got today. Whoa. And he got away. See? That's how it goes. Another little sunny. Another little sun perch.
I lost 2 sinkers and a hook. Got another little sucker.
You're not a sucker. That's not a sucker fish, son. Yeah. Too small.
Oh, nice.
Easy. Pick him up. Pick him up off the ground. Where you line? There you go. Yeah.
Ooh,
That's bigger than my hand.
that's playful.
That's a good one. Oh man, that was a big one. Like a big one, I mean.
A big what?
It may have been a good sized bass. Mm. That probably would have been the biggest red eye we'd caught all day.
Huh?
So I think that would have been the biggest red eye we'd caught all day.
I got one.
Did you? Sweet.
Look, that's all the worm you need to catch a fish. Perfect.
You don't need much. Just enough to lure them, right?
That's not what they put the big bass on.
Yeah. Little fart. We caught the mamas and the daddies, and now they almost got you in that eyeballies. Guys, we are having a blast, and we thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. If you don't mind, click like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. God bless.